Protech is a company that specializes in automotive diagnostics, calibration, and mechanical services, supporting other automotive space such as collision centers, glass companies, or even dealerships.
Protech needed technology because we are a pioneer within the industry. So the space is new. And because the space is new, there isn't a third-party provider, a solution that fits the business need.
We realized the only way we're going to be successful is if we have a system that's going to give us those capabilities to be that mobile dispersed model, and PCS was absolutely the option for us.
PCS stands for the Protech Connected Solution, an acronym for our solution that we're offering our customers and our technicians.
The biggest challenge for Protech that they faced when getting orders from customers was it came in various ways. It could take up to 24 hours from the time we got a request from the customer until it was in our system.
They would make a request to a group of 30 people that would manually go put it into another piece of the system, and we had no visibility.
We really realized that we needed a customer portal early on. When we get the feedback from our customers, you're difficult to schedule. And so we said, okay, we want to set forth and build something that is extremely easy.
So the portal is interesting, not just to make a request, but was it assigned to a technician? When's the technician scheduled? All of that's within our portal. We created a level of communication to our customer that they had never seen.
Anyone in the company can see if someone may be overloaded or not have enough work, and with the click of a button, they can move around jobs.
For the customer, it's super simple because when they need to request services, all of their work is already in the system, and now our technician has all the information they need and they've already been dispatched out.
So with the introduction of the PCS system, it's dramatically improved the life of the field techs.
One of the main things that they were struggling with is the fact that they were using disparate systems. So tracking a technician, the volume a technician had, where he was at, who he was servicing, was very, very manual.
We didn't have any sort of streamlined processes, and it was painful for all of the teammates to be able to execute to the level that we ultimately expect to execute to.
With PCS, we've got a core application that the business uses. And then we started to go look at what does the technician use and cut it down to specifically what they needed and created an app off of Dynamics called the Technician app.
From a technician standpoint, I now can actually see what I need to do versus I get a phone call and now I need to go do a job. I have a dashboard that gives me the ability to actually plan my day out and be extremely efficient.
It's enabled us to identify markets that need growth. We've been able to split markets where we had too much capacity and change the way the leadership was done.
To me, the most impactful thing is for Protech technicians having a single place to go to for all of their needs as they work in the field.
The efficiency today is exponentially improved compared to what it used to be. We have a lot of data points to show where we do have efficiencies and even inefficiencies so we can continue to work on the business.
The industry that we service is heavily weighted on cycle time, meaning how long it takes for that car to be repaired.
What would happen is the technician would finish a job, would then email, call, or text a team of people that would have to manually be sending invoices. And so the time from a technician completing a job to the customer actually receiving the invoice could be hours, if not the next day.
Now, the way it works is 90% of the time when the tech completes their work, the invoice is automatically sent to the customer with any necessary attachments.
So as soon as the job is finished, the tech presses the button complete and invoice is automatically created and sent out.
It's dramatically improved the accuracy of the invoicing process because now we get the work orders from the customers in the portal, so all the necessary metadata is in there, and you can track that now all in PCS.
PCS has been an absolute game changer, from the ability to give our customers something that's extremely efficient, easy to use, to automated invoicing, to our technicians having a tool that is very efficient and transparent for them to be able to best plan their days and deliver exceptional service.
And PCS has really changed the way our customers not only interact with us, but also view us as a partner.
The Microsoft Dynamics platform actually gives us that ability to adapt, adjust, and make changes, positive changes in real time. What stood out with JourneyTeam's approach is the planning and efficiency and the continuous communication with the right stakeholders.
My experience working with the Journey team is really the intuitiveness of the team that they brought to help and support us. It's very rare do you run into it where they understand our business or learn the business to that extent.
I think they did a great job coming in and helping us building the PCS from ground up. It was a pretty big endeavor, and we wouldn't have done it without them.
They knew what we could do, what we couldn't do, and what even what best practices should be.
It's opened our eyes to a world that we only thought could be potentially possible. Today we've got a parent and we were servicing that as our largest customer. We're on a path now to go service thousands of customers outside of that. That wasn't there before. And so we were disrupting before. We're now enabling today.